Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with ceramic tiles and I will do reverse dip with a wrap, bubble wrap, or I don't know if this is the right word. This is ivory. I will use ivory for the background. I hope that I have enough of this ivory, because I did something before with it and I didn't like it, so I scraped it off. I want to do some dips that I can resin. That's why I'm playing with tiles, because it's hard to resin the canvas. That's why I will use a tile this time. And I will add some drops of green just on the one side, maybe. I think that paint is behaving so different on the tiles, or maybe it's just me, I don't know, but I have this feeling. And I will do alizarin crimson first, alizarin violet first. I don't have much of this paint left. And some magenta. And some of this permanent rose. You see? It's almost that it wants to go completely its own way. Definitely need some alizarin here too. And I will add a little bit of orange here in the middle and a little bit of gold. And maybe I will add some of this alizarin crimson too, just here, maybe, I don't know. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining, tears from my eyes. And I will use this bubble wrap to dip, and let's see how this works for the dips, reverse dips. And I hope that I will not pick all my color paint from the tile. Oh, let's see. I don't know if this makes any difference. This bubble wrap, or how this is called, I don't know, or maybe, I don't know, because I get a lot of air bubbles. I hope that you can hear me because of this rain, but I just love to hear the rain. I don't know. It's not what I meant. Maybe if I can push something here. Maybe I should have used this orange and gold in the middle, because I don't think I like it. Just see if I can dip this center a little bit more. No, it's not makes any difference. I really don't know what to think about it. I will just turn it over here to show you close up. It's a lot of glare, I see. If I go this way, it's just too much glare. I will just try to, whoops, turn it a little bit. It is kind of nice, but I don't know. I will see how this will dry, and maybe I will get something to resin. I will see. Maybe this ivory background is not a good idea, and this green dots neither, but now it is what it is. But I don't know, I like this part, so we will see how this will dry, and if this will dry okay, I will show you how I will resin it. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!